Hey guys, we're going to take a look at how to build a formula so that you can round by a specific increment. Say you buy a material by units of 20 or quantity of 20, or you're getting tons, but you buy it by the half ton and you'd like to produce a number by that number instead of, say, 12.2 tons. You want it to round up to the nearest half ton. Here's how we're going to do this. We're going to be using the ceiling function. We're going to put in an odd quantity. Let's go by the 20s. Let's say we got 224 is the parent quantity, but we want it to round up to 240. We are going to effectively take this number, divide it by the increment, then we're going to use the ceiling function to round up to a whole number because that division is going to give us a fraction, and then we're going to multiply it by the increment, which is effectively, it's almost like a unit conversion type of formula to produce numbers that increase by increments. So we will start by ceiling. Actually, let's do this. We're going to build it from the ground up. We're going to take the parent quantity and we're going to take it divided by 20. And this gives us 11.2. Now we're going to take that parent quantity and we're going to round up with a ceiling formula function. That gets us 12. Now that this 12 is no longer a decimal, if we multiply that 12 now by the increment, in this case 20, we are going to get a number that basically rounded up to the nearest 20. And we take that number times 20, and now we've got our 240. Let's test it out. 224, 227, 239, 241 rounds up to 620. We can also do this with a decimal increment. Let's say we wanted to go by the half unit. So 0.5, then we will also take this number times 0.5. And let's say there's 12.3. Okay, what if there's 12.2? What if there's 12.1? We're still getting 12.5. But what happens if I put in 12.6? Oops, that's not it. 12.6. Now we're up to 13. So that's a way to round to the nearest half, say 0.5 of a quantity. And that's how you can build a formula to round by a specified increment. Thanks.